Have fun.
Okay.
Just close by. Where the ship is at. Oh, Australia minto.
Minto is on Lady Bombay. That's the captain. Hello, the beautiful Mary of Nukuorro. They even fix coconut for the visitors. Thank you, Mary, for the coconuts. Okay, here we are. Now I'm walking from the dispensary or the hospital of Nukuorro. Now I'm heading down to the site that close to that ship park. So this is the road. It's pretty much like a straight line going down, straight road going down. So as you will see, the road goes all the way down. So yeah, that's I think going south, going east, going north. But I prefer going north because that's where the boat parking. So we are outside the church. This is the church, Protestant church in Nukuorro. Yep. As you can see, I don't know. This is the outside of the church. I'll keep walking down. I think nobody's kiting me. I'll kite myself because, you know, everyone is gone and I'm just here trying to walk down. Yeah, another road going in there. And now I'm more like at the lemon plantation in Nukuorro because there are plenty lemons over here. And like I said, this is what they ride on Nukuorro, bicycles. Hi. See, she's driving a bicycle. Isn't that nice to be staying on Nukuorro? Every day exercising on a bicycle. Now we're in a place. There's a house here. It's a beautiful house, local house, but it's very clean outside. I don't know who owns this house or this place, but yeah, it's a very beautiful place. There's a water tank, water catchment, good water catchment to conserve water on Highland. Hello. Okay, here. Now we have some people here. Kasilalyamenko. It's a very beautiful place. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, now I'm walking from the rocks over there. That's the where the dispensary is.
This
Okay.
is the principal's place.
Principal?
The school principal's place.
Who's the school principal?
Burden.
Burden? Oh, he's not here.
Melton Leopold.
He's not here.
Yeah. No, he's out for the summer school.
Oh.
All the teachers.
I only know where's Ricky's house.
Who?
Ricky.
Ricky.
Down there.
Oh.
I was the one who came on the surveillance team. On the boat from hospital to come and pick him up. He was sick one time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm the one who
Okay.
So that's my first time on island.
Oh.
This is my second time, but I got a chance to come and walk around on it. Yeah. My first time we just walk from the boat here, pick him up, back on the boat, back.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was the one who.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
It's my second time on island. Yeah.
Well, that's good. That's you can take pictures.
Sila naman ko. Oh, the road is there. Sorry. So most place on this island, they have the roof and the water catchment to conserve water. Hey Lois! Hey! How are you? How are you? This is the only person I know on island. Yeah. It's my best friend back from home. Lois? No, Lois. Yes. So you stay here. This is yours?
My mom's.
Oh, where? What about you? Where you stay?
Yeah, I also stay with her, and our house is on the other side.
Way down. You guys should have a car here, man. It's a very long walk.
Car?
Yeah.
No.
So where are you going?
Get some lemon.
Oh, okay. I'll see you.
See ya.
around. We only have this whole day on island and continue. Okay, Lucky. I have somebody on the island that I know. Her name is Lois, and that's her. And never some hell is kind of lost on the island. Hello, sir. Where are you going? Oh, damn. Look at the road down. Whew, I'm tired. Yeah. Now it's not just a vlog. It's a exercise vlog. I'm gonna lose weight by walking and doing a vlog on the island. It's a very long distance. Okay, now we're in another village. I don't know if it's another village or the same village, but as you can see, it's a very, very clean place. It's a big lemon tree here. This is the canoe they have on Highland. So this place is a very beautiful place. They really know how to conserve water. And the local huts are very nice. Pasalilyaman ko. Ay, makubrola yan mur. Kasta selinas.
Markets.
Okay, YouTube, this is squeezed lemon from the locals on the highland. Made by from that man in white shirt. So that's the roofing they make. Make these to make the roofing of the local huts, the houses. Bicycle. Woo, tandel wasa. They have coconut. Looking from here. To the ship. So that's the dispensary way down there. There. That's the dispensary. I came all the way, walk all the way from down there to here. Say hi. That's where they put their canoe. If they're not riding any canoe, then they leave their canoe over on the huts. They're the huts, and that's the boat. Alright, here we are. A perfect timing to see how they renovate or rebuild their houses. Think back on new ones. What's your name? Tristan. How old are you, Tristan?
9.
9? Oh. There's a school here?
Yes.
Where?
It's outside.
Facing that side? Oh, okay. I think it's far, so never mind the school. To renovate fix the roof. So here, she's fixing it. That's the top part?
Yes.
Okay. I can tell it's the top part because of both side by side, huh? Yeah. So back on the channel. Okay, back. Hello. Say hi.
Hi.
You guys will be on YouTube soon. So yeah. So what's that? Okay. So this is the restroom on the island. It's a very nice restroom here. Okay, right now I feel like I want to use the bathroom, but let me ask this guy first on how he uses bathroom, because it's better you give me a heads up before I go in, huh? So that's the bathroom right there. What's your name? Raj. So that's the bathroom right there.
Bathroom.
You don't have bathroom on land?
No.
Only on ocean?
Only on the ocean, but we don't have tissue. We only use coconut husk
Coconut husk
for the tissue.
for the tissue. Okay, so they use coconut husk. You know, it's not a bad thing though. It's your island. It's your way of living it. So yeah, the world will see what's this bathroom is. So everything, when you use the bathroom, everything goes in the ocean.
The fish, the waste.
So it's for the fish. Okay. So all the waste materials, everything you release from the bathroom on top, it's for the fish. So you guys eat the fish hunt from the ocean here, or you're from
We only go there to fish.
go on that side to fish on the reef? Okay. Where the water is clean. Okay, I see. Nice. I like this place. So now I'm inside the bathroom where we're talking about. Let me go ahead and open the bathroom. It's an experience for everybody. So here, it's a very beautiful bathroom. Use it, and as you can see, that's the ocean. Yeah, toilet paper. Kalanganan.
Kita bye-bye. Bye-bye, family. I mean,
Okay.
Anak pala, right here ba nung...
kalangan tama ko, Mer. Salam na na, bro.
We are leaving the
YouTube channel.
dispensary. Then here we are. Hey, call mo bakit? Kada chupalnan.
Maganda kaya ko?
Alright. You want to survive the first round? Thank you, Nukuorro, for the good vibes. And